Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're up early here in San Diego. It's currently 6:03 a.m. We're up early to go to a car meet over here in Mira Mesa, but it's our version of our Cars and Coffee, but this month is actually going to be a Honda feature month where there's just going to be a bunch of Hondas there. So it'd be cool to bring both of our cars out there. We got Lem's car here today. He ended up sleeping over because he lives pretty far away. So he'll be mobbing with us. But in courtesy of my neighbors, because it is very early in the morning, I don't want to piss him off with the cars, so we are going to push his car out. But a couple new things have changed on the car, and I'll show you guys that pretty soon. Or I'll show you guys it right now because I don't think I'll make a video on them. But yeah, we'll be heading out there soon, and here, let me show you guys what has changed on the car since the last couple videos. So I really wish I got to record the install of this, considering like it was super hard to fucking install this thing. Honestly, it shouldn't have been that hard because it seems like it's very easy. It's literally just 8 bolts here and then 4 bolts in the back. But honestly, it was mad hard doing this. Like trying to line up the bottom holes down there to be even on both sides was mad hard. And then tightening the back 12s back there are also probably the easier part. And then a couple bolts up there to attach that cage or the 2 pieces together. But honestly, it was kind of hard to install. But pretty much got a new cage in the car now. And then also up front in the engine bay, I actually polished the stock inlet pipe. So what I did was I got a palm sander to it to pretty much get rid of like the beveling or like the weird texture that it had. And from there I wet sanded it to pretty much try to give it that mirror finish. But I do really need to go back on it and like really clean it up because there is still some deep scratches on it that I can get off. But yeah, I think those are pretty much the 2 things that have changed on my car that I didn't get to make a video on. But that's pretty much what's changed. But now we're gonna push Lem's car out so we don't piss off my neighbors. We gotta push his car out. Just turn right hard, and then we'll push you back onto the street. Wait! Oh my God! It made it! Hell yeah! All right, we got him out to the meetup spot now. Lem's car is just gonna roll down the hill, but we got Brian here now. But it's cold as fuck. Got Brian's car. Here we go. On the way to the meet now. You can see the sun's not even fully out yet. I feel like it's gonna be a really nice day out today. There doesn't seem to be any clouds. Hopefully we can get a shoot in today because my car is like somewhat clean for photos. But we're on the way there now. We got Lem and Super Brian following behind us. But we're on our way now to meet up with San Diego Type R before we roll up to the Honda meet. Yeah, show everyone's car off now. We got my car here. Fuck. But we'll start with mine since you guys already know what's up. But I have a deleted fender liner now, and also my tires are bald because I just tracked these tires. I wasn't meant to go on track, but they let me on. So I ended up just driving on my daily tires. But we got Brian over there, and then we got a lot of Type Rs. We got the LE on GTs, very nice. Got Lem with his RG3s. These are they actually don't make these in 5x120, and they also don't come in chrome. Chamorro boy, I don't even know where he's at, but he re-drilled these and also chrome plated them. So these things are super nice. But he's running 275/35s all around on Swift Springs. But that thing is super nice. It's really nice. Dude, we got Flannel here. We got a shit ton of mods to do to this car pretty soon. Yeah. Fast guy right here. Full bolt-on's gonna do fuel system soon. Gonna be a fast guy out here. This is the 9 Lights Racing Wing. I always get a bunch of questions on it. Back when I ordered it, they didn't offer it as a swan neck, but I think they offer it now. But that's the wing I'm currently running for anyone wondering. And then also look who showed up late. We got famous Bears guy over here with the Champ White OGs. Ah! Hello. Brittany, bitch. All right, so that's pretty much almost everyone in the meetup spot. Some people found their way over here now, but we're rolling a lot deeper now. But I'm not gonna lead, so I can be able to record everyone drive by. But oh, radar's going on. Gotta be careful on Mira Mesa. We're rolling deep right now. Literally, this is just all type R's here right now. Very nice. Wow. It looks like some other people met up with us. Hello! What's good, dude? Hell yeah! Oh shit! My radar fell out the fucking window! Looks like the tattoo V. Ah, fuck! Sex. Very nice. Holy shit, dude, Brian, your Super looks different here. Ah, damn. Very nice. God damn. Oh, fuck. I need it. Oh. Dude, so good. Oh my god, I need it. This guy's fucking build is super clean. That's IG. Very cool. Holy shit, that piping must be super long. So, Jesus. This thing's so nice. You got the SLs. Ooh. Oh, it's a case walk. Oh shit, hell yeah. Dude, holy shit. The roof scoop. I can't imagine all the plumbing underneath the car. It's too wild.
My parents
Hi, Cooper. Hi. Yes, everyone's lined up now. The sun's finally out.
Brian's too cool to even say hi to me.
Yeah, other Brian's car. EVS lip with that EVS splitter. It's fucking nice. You got more Champ White OGs. Ooh. He has an RSR cage. Very nice, man. Holy shit, the swan neck? I don't know. Gauges. Gauges. Race bred too? Hell yeah. Dude, the brackets are so easy to access compared to ours. Holy shit. Who's this? Hey, who's man's? Hey, making me look bad. My shit's clapped as fuck.
And the rear.
Damn. The spoon wing and the spoon rear. Oh, and the exhaust shit. Homeboy, full spoon. Very nice. HKS oil cooler. Oh look, wait, aren't these the J's trim pieces too?
They have both the stock.
Oh, he has a Cusco cage. I forgot. He pulled up with us. Dude, this guy came out of nowhere when we were driving. I was like, what the fuck? Where'd this guy come from?
I don't know. He came out of that shop.
Oh, Carbon Mugen? Oh, must be nice to be rich. Got a whole bunch of cars with drag packs. Alright, who's trying to run it? Is this an actual Zeal one? I have no idea. It still look good on a Supra.
Dude, in this deep.
I know. Fuck. Dude, I wish our SLs could look like that. Very nice. Sheesh. Hell yeah. Wait, Brian? Hey, Brian, someone stole your car, dog.
Someone stole your car.
No. He's super clean.
He's got a super truck.
Oh, really?
I'll be there. I'll just show up one.
Oh, hell yeah. Wait, is it carb? I don't know. Very nice.
I want to drive this.
One baby.
Hi, Goober. Hi!
Hi, buddy. He's like,
Hello.
yeah. Look, it's like
Look at him.
Waffle
Look at him.
didn't even leave.
Look at him.
Whoa.
Hey, we don't say that name around here.
Hey, the one who shot.
Oh.
Oh, you like it?
Like the scratch?
Oh, look at this stretch.
Dude, this color goes hard as hell. Damn, dude.
orange is super nice on the Senesex. God damn.
What's up, man? How are you?
Hell yeah.
Alright, so that pretty much wraps up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video of us going to Cars and Coffee over here in San Diego. It was a very cool meet, had a lot of fun, and I just want to thank you guys for watching, and it could really help out if you guys could leave a like, comment, or subscribe. But I guess that's all for now, so I'll see y'all in the next one.